The message today is this app can help protect you and your family.
Earthquake detected.
The new component of the early warning notification for earthquake adds an additional layer of being able to respond in the event. And we encourage all San Diegans to please utilize this information, prepare you, your family, your business, have a plan, not just for earthquakes, but wildfires and all of the things that are featured here.
Integrating Shake Alert technology into the app is designed to give the public precious seconds to drop, cover, and hold on before the shaking starts. By leveraging the more than 770 USGS earthquake sensors all throughout California, those seconds could allow you to take time to take protective action to help prevent death or serious injury.
There are over 1,100 seismic sensors that are on duty 24/7, 365 throughout the three-state Shake Alert system, California, Oregon, and Washington. And those devices are out there waiting for the first shaking to occur. When motion is detected, the Shake Alert system kicks into action. It's all completely automatic. If an earthquake meets a particular profile that was described by Director Tony earlier, then the ShakeReadySD system prepares an alert and delivers it to all its end users, to all the people who actually have the app.
Deputies with the Sheriff's Department train year-round to prepare for natural disasters and emergencies. We work closely with our law enforcement and fire partner agencies to provide public safety and emergency services throughout the county. Should a disaster like this happen in San Diego County, our deputies are prepared and they're ready to assist.
The time to prepare for an earthquake is not when the earthquake occurs, it is ahead of time. Download the SD Emergency app. In there, as the chairman said, there's a ton of tools in there. One of the most important is an emergency planner, right? Go through, discuss with your family. What are you going to do when your children are at school? Have a plan beforehand, know what you're going to do. And most importantly, download the app because those few seconds that it can buy you can really make a world of difference.